Alright, sound check. So I've been vlogging the whole time and I just realized that I turned the microphone off. So I'm just gonna repeat everything that I've said earlier to get you an idea of what this video is all about. I'm here very early in the morning at Bench ATC and I'm with Sir JM.
Hi Anna.
Hi, good morning. Okay, so what are we gonna do with my hair today? Actually you, not me, because I'm just gonna sit here all day.
We're gonna do for your hair is Parisian Ash Brown, which is parang dark sa taas, then naglalay tayo dun sa ends, no?
What do you call it? It's balayage?
Balayage techniques.
Sa mga hindi nakakalam, it's also called ombre, right? Are we gonna start?
Let's start, Anna.
I'm so excited. Anong name niya?
Margot.
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 Saan nakuha ang Margot?
Kasi ko mag-French.
Marunong ako mag-French.
Very light lang.
Gula bugo siya, alagwa, c'est quoi?
Ano tayo?
Easy buko for sale? Easy buko for sale. So, they've already cut my hair. Yay! So, I now have bangs.
Meron tayong Smartbond hair protection. Kahit ilang bleach yung gawin nyo sa hair, no fear to damage.
Just to be clear, Smartbond is not a rebonding system. They're mixing the powder, which is the
Studio Blonde. Ah, yes.
Guys, I've never seen anything like this before. So they're just making it intense so that the highlights pop out more when they apply the base product, which is the L'Oréal Professionnel. Okay guys, so if you also want to get your own Parisian inspired hair, you just have to go here at Bench ATC and request for JM Dela Cruz. He is my stylist here. I love what he did to my hair. I love it so much. I am really at loss for words. It's all that I can say. My hair has never been this beautiful. Thank you so much, L'Oréal and Bench.